Well, we got the first of our Royal Tiger guns. This is the one they charged me the exorbitant price for, which is just about correct other than maybe the rear sight. Other than that, the gun is in good shape. So now that I've perfected a cartridge that will probably work in all guns fairly well, I'm going to try to sight it in. And the key is developing the ammo to where I wanted it. And what I'm going to do is just at 50 yards, I'm going to put 3 down there, point aim, and see exactly where these sights shoot. Now most of these guns shoot to the left, and there's been an individual that sent me a way to machine this rear sight out and move it over, and I'm not going to do that. I mean, it probably would work, make it simpler, but I'm going to show you I have a way of dealing with this. Alright, so let's get started with our initial sighting. Got a little back blast on that. That one fared a little better. Yeah, these cases aren't expanding quite well. You're getting a little bit of a blowback. Alright, well, let's go see where those bullets went. Alright, so aiming here, up here we got 1, 2, 3 spread out. So we're about 8-10 inches high and somewhat not too tight of a group, but the thing is now I'm gonna say as far as windage goes, that's better. The last time I fired this gun they were way off to the side, so basically we use our Carcano, drop the front sight blade down and see if we can draw them down in closer to the bull. So I'm going to load up 3 more, choose my sight picture, and see if I can't draw it down in there. It appears that the bore's somewhat worn out the way the bullets are spread. It should be a tighter groove, but guns of this age and in this condition, that's what you're going to end up with. Alright, let's see what we did. Okay, we got 2. I have no idea where the third one went. So as you see, it's just a matter of brought it down so far, but now we're going to the right. I'll put a few more down with this one, try to get it closer to the bull. Got a full mag of 4. Let me see if I could do a little better. Those seals are done.
Okay, using our Kentucky windage, you see now we're kind of to the left and quite a giant spread. Of course, I'm lining up the top of the rear sight with that bar and dropping the front sight all the way down, and there's room to move or wiggle. But I'm going to safely say, even though that one is unique and unusual with spur trigger guards, and I'll do more on that later, can safely say the bore is probably pretty much worn out on it, even though it's good. There's no pitting or corrosion in there. But we're going to say for accuracy wise, not the greatest. I got a couple more examples I'm going to test up here on this target, so I'm going to move on the next video to those.